villages. This entire stretch is 350 kilometers long. So from Marrakesh going all the way to Agadir, and moving all the way on the other side to Casablanca. You know, it has been affected. Hundreds and hundreds of villages are in between. Some villages have 40 homes, some villages have 100 homes, some villages have 200 homes, and so many of them have been destroyed. There was one youngster. He was walking on the side of the road. I think he wanted to see if his school is open, so he asked for a lift. We gave him he was hiking, so we gave him a lift in the car, and we were asking him that, where are you from? He said, my village is 100 kilometers away. And we asked him, is it destroyed? He said, yes, half the village is destroyed, half is not. However, everyone is outside. He said everyone is sleeping outside. So we asked him, what are you doing here? He said, no, I just came to see if my school has started, because I do boarding school. But I noticed that they still haven't started, so now I need to go back 100 kilometers. So there is such situations where everyone is, helter-skelter. They don't know what is going on. It is our duty to at least stabilize them to a certain extent. If we can stabilize them, that look, your daily bread, inshallah, we'll take care of. Your food, your drinks, we'll take care of. Your tent, we'll take care of. Then they can start moving on to focusing on other aspects of their life, where they can focus on rebuilding their homes. They can focus on, uniting with their families that are all far apart, etc. So let us at least provide the basic needs for now, and then inshallah in the future we can help them repair their homes as well.